Hi, it's Atif here, one of the SEO executives at Parliament. Today we are gonna study how we can validate the schemas that we are adding on our websites because adding the schemas without validating those may cause some issues in the GSE. So for that reason, the website I'm using to verify the schemas is this one. So we can open that website from rich snippet results from here, and then here it will show two methods to verify the schema. The first one is by the URL, uh, and the second one is by the code. So if we have already added the schema on our website and then we need to verify that, then we will be using this option. Or if we have just generated the schema and haven't even integrated on our websites yet, then what we can do is paste that schema code over here and click on test code. So for example, the website mostly I'm using to create the schemas is instantschema.com. So for example, I'm generating a random schema for FAQs to verify, and I'm placing the random questions and answers over here. For example, like this, and I do copy this code, and then in the code section I will paste this and will click on test code. It will validate whether the schema is correct or not. And if we have already implemented the schema, then what we need to do is copy the URL of that specific page where we have implemented the schemas. Doesn't matter how much we have added. So I will copy that and will paste it in the URL section of over here, and then click on test URL, and then it will take some time to crawl that page and verify how much schemas are there and are there any mistakes or not. For example, I have tested the code over here that we haven't added yet to our website, and it's saying everything is fine. But for example, if there's any issues, like I have removed the answer field from here and then I do click on run test, then it will show us the errors over here like this. It is saying non-critical issues detected. That means there are some issues, and they are not supposed to be fixed. I mean, we can ignore those and those will be treated as not covered yet, but that wouldn't be any problem. So I clicked on that and then clicked over here, and under this it will show here the actual issue, and that is missing field text. Like this, in the text field we have removed the actual text. So if the this type of mistakes happens, then it will be showing the errors here. And to fix this, what we can do is just go to that specific place, and then here I will add the actual answer. Meanwhile, I am adding dummy questions and answers just to verify, and then I have added the text field again over here, and then I will click on run test. Then it will recheck the schema, and then it will let us know whether it is right or not. So I have added the answers field again, and it's checking. So after the verifying, it is saying that one valid item is detected with no issues. So same thing for the URL that I have pasted in the URL section to verify if we have already implemented the schemas. And then for example, on this page we have got five type of schemas, and two of these are having non-critical issues detected. So we can ignore these, but if we do fix these, then it would be great. So I am going in that issue, and over here it is showing that missing field price valid until, and it's optional too. So that can be fixed similarly as we fixed the answer field of the facts schema. So that's how we can just validate our schemas before implementing on our websites, or if we have already implemented the schemas and need to check whether these are right or not. So we can go to this snippet results, and in the URL section we can paste that specific URL, and that's how we can make our schemas correct for better rankings